in for 1,001. Went last time, give me one. 1,000 I have on my right hand side. Anywhere at all, an advance on 1,000. First, second, third. Sold for $1,000 for me. 75 first, second, third at 675. Anybody else? Anywhere you like? Sold. 325 I have on my left. Anybody at all? Anywhere you like? One more for the ladies. First, second, third call on the Mushman. Sold the round off at 325.
So I'm here with the director of Kiteboarding for Life Australia, Nick Shepherd. Nick has had us down here to help with the charity auction night. Nick, mate, what a fantastic night. Tell us about it.
It's been fantastic, yeah. We've had a great turnout tonight. Lots of people enjoying themselves, and we've raised a lot of money, but I think in that too we've raised a lot of awareness also. I've had a lot of people come up and talk to me about their own struggles with depression and those sorts of things, so it's been a really interesting night.
Yep.
And yeah, I give feedback about my own life and those sorts of things, so it's been fantastic. It's been a really good night. Good night for all concerned.
If you yourself want to talk about any sort of depression, anxiety, or you want to get some help with a mental health plan or get a better understanding of where your head's at, you can head to Nick's website, Kiteboard for Life. You can go to the Facebook page. There's a lot of directories on there for people that need help, and if you want to do it discreetly, or if you need help and you're not sure who to talk to, those are some great places to start. So if you guys were looking for help with the charity auction night, Raine and Horne loves to get involved in anything with the community, so get in touch with us. We're happy to provide help and support in any way that we can. Give us a call at the office. Nick's experienced what it is to work with us, and we've had a great time working with Nick on this.
Fantastic, yeah. Thanks very much.
Thanks, mate.
To you and Raine and Horne, thank you very much.